ABC book. Right, Jennifer? Grandma and Grandpa gave you a pretty purple dress. Okay, let's open this one. Here's from Santa Claus. Open this one. It's from Santa Claus. Open it up. A nice pretty box again. Look at that. Look at. See what Santa gave you? Look at Jimmy. Yes, not interested at all. Really into our beads. What are you doing? Oh, what am I doing? I'm showing you that you've got a pretty outfit for jogging. Jogging. From Santa Claus. We're going to open the big box. This big box? Yeah. Open the big box. Let's open the big box. Here, put this here. This is your comb. Why don't you comb your hair? Okay, ready for this one? Open it up. Open it up. What is it? What is it? Is that what I think it is? Come on around this side. We're going to open it up. Do you know to see it? What is this? Shuffle time? These are tough. There we go. Okay. I don't know. I think this is wonderful. I think it's shuffle time. Shuffle town. Shuffle town. You have to put it together. Yay! Come sit here. Town. Shuffle town. It's not all gone. I just haven't put it together yet. It's got to be put together. See all the little pieces? Pieces, yeah. Well, you know where they go already, huh? Yeah, I think they're babies. And oh, look at Shuffletown Railroad. These cars go together. Shuffletown. Okay, let's see. See where we can hook the Shuffletown on. People. You hear the train? Woo-hoo.
What's that? Slow down? Let's play something. Oh. It's not going to last very long. What are they kissing? What is that? I bet you this makes noise. I bet you this makes noise.
Open the door. Here, open the door. Back them up a little. There's a door here.
Open that door.
Yay, now bring them in. Shut the door. That's right, shut the door. You have to move the guy. Move the little girl. You have to move the girl first. Okay, now open the door. Yay.
That's pretty good. Yay! That's pretty good.
It's a door.
Boy, Santa really knew what you wanted. Santa picked good. Mommy put all the decals on this. Merry Christmas, Daddy. Merry Christmas. That's a choo-choo.
It's a perfect choice, I'll tell you why. I didn't realize it until after.
Why?
Because of the choo-choo.